So now let's see how we can work around with duplicating and copy to option inside of Strikingly. So to go ahead and do that, let me just go ahead and click on Manage Blog Post right here. And now what you can actually go ahead and do is, let's say for example, duplicate out a post. So let's say I want to create another version of this post as well. In that case, you can go ahead and then click on More option and then choose Duplicate right here. So once you go ahead and do that, post will be duplicated right here, and then it's directly saved in draft. So now the original post is still there. So you can see there's a creative breakthrough and it's a copy. So I can go ahead and say something like part 2, make the changes right here and go ahead and publish it out right here just like this as well. Go ahead and exit and then you can see that I got 2 posts which are duplicated right here. So you can even go ahead and let's say for example right here, just like this, choose copy to right here. So you can go ahead and choose another site that you have right here and copy it out to another blog that you have as well. So in Strikingly, you might manage out multiple pages with multiple blogs. So you can go ahead and choose another site. In my case, I have all the sites in the same name. So you can see that it is in the same name, but you can go ahead and select this out right here. Choose it in draft or set it all as published as you want, and then delete the post from current blog if you want as well. But anyways, you can go ahead and choose different site, and the site without the blogs, when you select it, it says the selected site doesn't have a blog. So you can go ahead and select out a site that has a blog, press OK right here. And if you were to go ahead and press OK, that blog will be copied out to the other blog. And when you access that, you'll be able to see this particular blog post in that particular site as well. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the duplicate and copy to option inside of Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.